So I wanted to charge my Tesla under £3 every night. So first thing I did, I changed my tariff with e.on. So I've got a cheaper tariff after midnight. Plus I bought this from Tesla Direct, the wall-mounted charger. It cost me £475. It does come with all the instructions, the QR code, which you can use to run the config. And it's fairly straightforward, to be fair. And also gives you instructions on what cables to use, running from this charger into the mains. It tells you, for example, anything from 3.5mm to 25mm cable you can use. But in my case, I'm using 6mm armored cable, which is sufficient for this charger because it's only 32 amp, if you like. So the free cable, live, neutral and earth, going to come out from here and they will go to the mains. But in my case, I decided to purchase this from Screwfix. It cost me £55. It's a consumer box designed for EV. So it has got RCBO plus a surge protection. So it will protect your appliance if you like. Plus I bought some extra connectors for the cable, which I don't think I'm going to need because I'm not far from the mains. And this is a cable I'm going to be using. So armored cable 6mm, again from Screwfix. And inside the box you got this charger which has got built-in cable which goes into the car to charge it, plus the back plate. So you simply take the back plate off and back plate will go wherever you want to mount it. And instructions do tell you you can feed the cable in or feed the cable through from the top, from underneath, from behind. So it doesn't matter where, it depends what your setup is, wherever the cable is coming from. You can hide it. I hid it nicely so you can't see my cable because it's coming from behind it. And the other side is my consumer box. And it's fairly easy. There are 3 connections, live, neutral and earth. You just do it. And if it's a 3-phase connection, that's a different ball game. But it's a residential property, just normal single phase property, live, neutral and earth. They're connected. This is mounted, all configured and up and running now. And car is happy. And also in the Tesla app, you can add, obviously you're going to add this appliance in and it shows you in there. Plus you can add e.on charges in there. You can define it after midnight. It's like 6p for example, and then you can schedule the charger from that time. So leave it plugged in, it will automatically kick in at that time while it's cheaper. The electricity is cheaper and it will just charge your car. And it did. I mean, the first day I already had 30% battery and it was fully charged to 90% and it only cost me under £3. So it's a great value and it's a must-have. And Tesla, they offer you 4 years warranty for this piece of appliance.